Assalamu alaikum students. How are you today? I hope you all are fine. Students, here we have our book Art Lab. We are going to make fun with our book Art Lab because it's our fun time. We are going to do coloring and drawing too. Let's start our work. Today I'm going to do page number 9, finger painting. And the question is, dip your fingers in poster paints and paint the animals as shown above, like this. For this, the material we need, materials. Poster paints. Here we have 4 different colors of poster paints. Pencils. Students, here I have pencil. I'm going to use these 2 things to make these animals. We are going to use our fingers for this painting. Let's start our work. First of all, I'm going to use pink and violet color to make this sparrow. Students, when I'm going to dip my finger in poster paint, it looks very odd. So I'm going to use a paint brush. This brush will help us to do this painting. With the help of this paintbrush, we will print our finger. Then these fingerprints help us to make sparrow, fish and snail. Let's start it from the sparrow. I am going to paint my index finger with pink color. For this, brush will help us. So, open your poster color. Use your paintbrush. Students, dip your brush in your poster paint. Then print your finger tip like this. Now print very carefully like this. Students, do the same process for the next box. Print your fingertip with brush and paste it here like this. Like this. Now I'm going to use next color, violet color, to make the next part. With the help of my middle finger, I'm going to use violet color to print the tip. Like this. Now print it here like this. Do the same process for the next box. Print your fingertip with violet color this and paste it here like this. Now students, let it dry. We are going to use our next color to make fish. With the help of paintbrush and white paint, I'm going to paint my thumb like this. Print it here like this. Now do the same process for the next box. Print your thumb with white color. Like this. Now student, paste it here like this. Now students, let it dry. We are going to use our next color, red color, to make the snail. I'm gonna use my index finger to print the snail body with the help of paint brush. Paste it here, students, like this. Students, now do the same process for the next box. Print your fingertip with red color like this. Now paste it here like this. Now students, let it dry. Friends, our page is ready. Now I am going to use pencil to make the other parts of the body. First of all, I am going to make the eye. Here, like this. Now students, make the same eye for the next sparrow. Like this. Now draw the beak of the sparrow. Here and here. Now it's turn to make the wings. Like this. Here. Now students, I am going to make the tail. Here. Like this. Next one. Like this. Now it's time to draw the legs. Here and here. Next one. Like this. Students, our sparrows are ready. Go for the fish now. First of all, make the eye. Like this. Now do the same for the next one. Like this. Now go for the mouth. Make it here and here. Students, it's time to make the fins. First one. Do the same for the next one. First one. Second one. Now students, it's time to draw the tail. Here, do it very carefully. Like this. Now students, do the same process for the next one. We are going to make tail of the fish. Like this. Students, it's time to make the body of the snail. Head part and tail. Let's start our drawing. Head part. Eye. Horns. Mouth. And the tail. Now students, go for the next one. Head side. Eye. Horns. Mouth. And the tail. Now shell. Students, our work is complete. You may use the same color for this work and you may use the different one. Do it by your choice. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.